Okay, so today's question is minimum number of arrows to burst balloons. There are some spherical balloons taped onto a flat wall that represents the example. The balloons are represented as a 2D integer array points where some spherical balloons taped onto a flat wall. Okay, so here are some spherical balloons that are taped into a sphere into the xy plane. The balloons are represented as 2D integer array points. Okay, start to extent denotes the balloons whose horizontal diameter stretches between x start and x end. So we are supposing its dimension. So it will be x start and x end. Okay. You do not know the exact y coordinates of the balloon. Okay. And it can be shot up directly vertically in the positive y direction from different points along the x-axis. Okay, we can make array for y-axis in different directions. A balloon with x start and x end is burst by an arrow x shot at x if x is greater than equal to x start or less than equal to x end. Okay. There is no limit in the number of arrows that can be shot. Okay, if there is an arrow which is in between xs and x end, then the balloon will burst. There's no limit to the number of arrows that can be shot. A short arrow keeps traveling up infinitely, bursting any balloons in its path. Okay. Given the arrow points, return the minimum number of arrows that must be shot to burst all balloons. Okay. Okay, for example, I'm given 10, 16, 2, 8, 1, 6, 7, 12. The balloons can be burst by arrows. Shoot arrow at x equal to 6, bursting the balloons 2, 8 and 1, 6. Shoot an arrow at 11. But I will take it as an example here. So it is from 16. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay. So our balloon is in 10 to 16 range. Okay. A balloon is here. 10 is starting and 16 is ending. Second balloon is 2, 8. 2 and 8. Third balloon is 1, 6. 1 and 6. So I'm considering it here. Okay, my fourth balloon is 7, 12. So 7 and 12. That was from 12, 10 and 16. Okay. 12 and 7. So I need yes, 2 arrows. One I can shot here and here. The other I can shot here. So I will shot here. Then these two will burst. Then I will need 3 arrows. So 1 and 2. I need 2 arrows at max. Shoot arrow at 6, yes, and 11, yes. 10 and 12 midpoint is 11. So I got it here. Let's try to find a pattern. 16 to 8. 8. What is this? Okay. It's two-dimensional array. Okay, I got it. So how to solve this question? I need to find minimum number of array. So I can use greedy algorithm here. I can use greedy or can use greedy. So how we are going to solve this question is first I will sort my data structure. Then after that, in the array, in the 2D array, I will find whether the uh, uh, end positions are overlapping or not. So firstly, I will sort the balloons by their end positions, and then I will iterate through them to determine whether they are overlapping or not. If they are overlapping, then I need only one arrow to burst those balloons, and if they are not overlapping, then I need two balloons. Then I need two arrows. Okay, so how I'm going to solve it is. First condition will be if there is no points, if point is empty, then it will return 0 directly. Okay. Now I will sort it. Again, I will sort my array again. So that I can find which are overlapping, whether they are overlapping or not. Okay, so n is lambda function here. For the comparison, just control B when mistake. Okay. If it is, then it will return a, here a1 should be less than b, will be in ascending order. Okay, so at first I'm supposing arrows will be 1. Okay, the minimum number of arrows I need is 1. Then if they are points, then arrow point, suppose points where it need to burst, where it need to point to burst is this. Okay, first is this. So how then I will iterate through my points. I equal to 1 and I is less than points. Okay, and then what I will do is I will compare if the current balloon start after the last arrow position. Okay, if the current balloon means what will be my current balloon when here is I, and if my current balloon start after means the position is greater than current air points, then what will happen, then my number of arrow will increase by count 1. Okay, and I will also increase the count of arrow points, and what will happen to my arrow points, it will increase by 0.1. Arrow pause will get the arrow points will get assigned this. Okay, 0 हो चुका है यहाँ पे, फिर I मिलेगा, then it will be I2 then I3 something like, oh sorry, I mean it will iterate through it. Then I will return my number of arrows. Okay, undeclared. Oh, this be